Most people move through life reacting to the world. A select few understand the hidden mechanics of human behavior to shape it. Today, we aren't just looking at tips. We're exploring 18 psychological shortcuts that bypass logic and speak directly to the subconscious. If you're ready to master the room, let's begin. 1. The illusion of choice. Never begin a request with "could you?" To the subconscious, this is a theoretical question, not a directive. It invites a yes that means I'm capable, not I will. Instead, use directive language. Replace "could you call the neighbor?" with "please call the neighbor." It shifts the framing from ability to action. 2. The Benjamin Franklin effect. If you need someone to like you, especially a rival, ask them for a small favor or an explanation. By providing help, their brain must resolve the cognitive dissonance. I'm helping them, so I must like them. You don't win friends by doing favors. You win them by asking for them. 3. Subliminal affirmation. When you need a yes, subtly nod your head while asking the question. This physical cue triggers a mirroring response in the listener, making them significantly more likely to agree with your premise without ever knowing why. 4. The competence challenge. To get a stubborn person to act, frame the task as something they might be incapable of. Use phrases like, "I'm not sure if you're able to handle this." Yet, the human ego has a desperate need to prove doubters wrong. They will complete the task just to protect their self-image. 5. The forehead gaze. If you need to destabilize someone or seize the upper hand in a tense conversation, stop looking at their eyes. Instead, stare intently at the middle of their forehead. It creates a sensation of being under the microscope, triggering an immediate sense of vulnerability and discomfort in the other person. 6. The vacuum of silence. If someone gives you a partial or dishonest answer, don't press them. Simply remain silent and maintain eye contact. Humans abhor a social vacuum. The discomfort of the silence will force them to keep talking, often revealing the truth they were trying to hide. 7. The flinch in negotiation. When you receive an offer, even a good one, react with a slight physical disappointment or a flinch. If you look too satisfied, the other party stops giving. If you look slightly let down, they'll often sweeten the deal to close the value gap they think they've created. 8. Emotional Aikido. When met with irrational anger or drama, respond with unexpected kindness or total calm. It's the kill them with kindness strategy, but with a twist. Silence is the loudest response. By refusing to engage in their frequency, you retain all the power. 9. Physiological priming. To beat the morning brain fog, don't just wake up, celebrate. As soon as your eyes open, sit up and throw your fists in the air like you've just scored a winning goal. This power pose floods your system with testosterone and dopamine, overriding the desire to hit snooze. 10. Semantic anchoring. Never wonder if you lock the door again. As you perform a routine task, shout a completely absurd, unrelated phrase like "neon giraffe." The absurdity creates a unique memory anchor. When you later doubt if you locked the door, you'll remember the neon giraffe, confirming the task is done. 11. The placebo sleep effect. If you're exhausted, lie to yourself. Research from Colorado College proves that if you genuinely convince your brain you had a great night's sleep, your cognitive performance actually improves. Your biology follows your biography. 12. The cognitive overload handoff. If someone is deeply focused on a task or a phone call, you can reach out and take whatever they're holding, or hand them something of yours. Because their brain is at capacity, they will subconsciously accept the exchange without any memory of it happening. 13. The incremental momentum hack. Managing a lazy team. Never say, "do this." Say, "start with this." By shrinking the perceived entry point, you bypass their mental resistance. Once they've started, use great, now continue with, to maintain the flow. 14. The public speaker's shield. If you're nervous on stage, admit it immediately. Vulnerability creates an instant bond of sympathy with the audience. Also, keep a bottle of water handy. If you lose your place, take a slow sip. To the audience, it's a dramatic pause. To you, it's a 10-second recovery window. 15. The subway gaze breaker. If a stranger is staring you down in public, don't look away in fear. Instead, look down and stare intensely at their shoes. Don't stop. It's an alpha move that signals you aren't intimidated, but you find them. Beneath your notice. 16. The serial position effect. The human brain remembers the launch and the landing, but forgets the flight. If you're interviewing for a job, fight to be the first or the last candidate of the day. You will be a vivid memory, while the middle of the day candidates will blow into a collective haze. 17. Emotional contagion. If you act slightly anxious or worried every time you see a specific person, they will eventually start feeling anxious every time they see you. Use this cautiously. You can project whatever emotional state you want onto others simply by being a mirror. 18. Passive reframing. To correct someone without making them defensive, remove the word you instead of you didn't submit the report. Say the report hasn't been submitted yet. By focusing on the object rather than the person, you eliminate the ego's need to fight back.